Hi, I'm Amy Casey of Amy Casey Cooks, and today I have another cooking tip for you today. Yesterday over on my Snapchat page, I guess that's what you call it, Amy Casey Cooks, I gave a tip on how to easily chop garlic just using a chef's knife and your cutting board instead of getting another utensil like a garlic press. So I'm going to show you how that's done today. Let me set my camera up. So as you can see, there's my garlic. And all you need to do is take a garlic clove, just like this, the flat side of your knife. Give it a good crush. You hear a crack. Another one, give it a good push down, and it flattens it. And this makes it super easy then just to chop your garlic. And you just slide your knife through it just like this and keep chopping. And you come up with these nice even pieces that you didn't even have to get another utensil out or even buy a garlic press. So that is my tip for today. I'm Amy Casey. Happy cooking.